First of all, I would like to thank all of you for attending this event. Considering it's almost Christmas, grabe yung traffic, grabe rin yung rain. So, for those of you who don't know, this is a very important time for liquor companies and liquor brands. Kasi this is the time we all announce our calendar models for the upcoming year. Late na nga kami kasi most of them already launched last month. And that is the reason why we're all gathered here today. Today, we will be introducing our 2026 White Castle Girl. Yes, balik na naman kami sa girl. Kasi previously, we had Ninong Rai, we had Sasa Girl, and after that, we had Ria Taide and Bench. And we try our best to leverage our calendars as a platform to raise social issues, such as LGBTQ rights, body positivity, and tattoo acceptance. This time, we wanted to take a lighter approach. We wanted to go back to having the classic sexy endorser, but with a good sense of humor. We wanted to have an endorser that could emulate the persona of White Castle Whiskey, especially on social media. If you visit the White Castle Whiskey page on social media, you would see that the voice of the brand is very humorous. Most of our posts, most of our content, puro kakuha lang, meme posts, and very funny videos. So we wanted an endorser with that same kind of attitude and personality. In fact, we actually had our eye on this girl after some of our friends shared a short clip from a podcast featuring her. In that podcast, she talked about her dream of becoming a White Castle girl, which piqued her interest to learn more about her. So we explored her content and realized that it aligns perfectly with the branding of White Castle Whiskey. Plus, the girl has both looks and personality. So pasok na pasok sa brand talaga. So I don't want to waste more of your time. That being said, I'd like to thank everyone for attending again. We have our friends from the media, we have our previous White Castle girl, Miss Evangeline Pascual, and Bench is coming later. So thank you again for coming. Feel free to have more refreshments and food at the back, and enjoy the rest of the program. Cheers.
Cheers!